My goal for this weekend is just to get to the World Finals. Anything else is a bonus.
Welcome to the FIA Gran Turismo Championships, coming to you live from the floor at Madrid.
You know, the competition's so fierce here. There's 30 of the fastest guys in Europe, which is the toughest region out of America, Japan and Europe. Something which might unsettle me is all the flashing lights, the atmosphere.
Got some of the best racers from the whole of Europe.
Got your gloves on, headset, and it's just not the same as being in your room with your wheel and your kitchen cupboard. So this is my setup. As you can see, nothing too technical. I've got a standard chair from IKEA to give me some sort of racing position. When I moved from controller to a wheel, I needed a stand to put my wheel on. So my dad found an unused kitchen cupboard in the garage. The stand is actually an unused kitchen cupboard with a hole cut out of the back for the pedals, and it's a much cheaper and DIY option to some of the rigs you can get on the market. Just got a standard LCD TV propped up with my accountancy box, providing the most use they ever have, and that's my stand. Very professional.
Adam Suswillo, who starts from pole position in the Toyota FT1 Vision Gran Turismo.
I know when to take risks and when not to.
And it's a good start, predictably, from Suswillo. He gets the race done and dusted and started very well indeed.
I'm quite precise with everything I try and do in the races, using fuel-up tyres.
No dicey moves being made there through the opening corner.
But I'm also aggressive when I need to be.
We have had a warning given to Adam Suswillo, so any more behaviour like that, he'll be given a slap on the wrist.
I think a few of the guys have been a bit shocked with me appearing at the top of these races, like I have been. Plan is break away, and hopefully my tyre strategy works well for me, and then no one overtakes me.
Oh, Suswillo off already, down into second place. A rare mistake and then contact as well. He's down to third position at the moment. What a start, that's absolute drama there.
Accounting and finance is just my job, just my everyday job.
To assist you, we have some of the best driver coaches in the world.
I'd heard about GT Academy. I ended up entering in 2013, straight after I graduated. You know, if I can get into motorsports through that, then that's what I'm willing to do.
I'd do anything to win GT Academy. I'd drop everything straight away if I had a job.
He's the type of guy who's very intelligent. He's been studying accountancy. He's just been sat back, observing, listening like a sponge.
And the winner of GT Academy Europe is Miguel Fisca.
Is this the guy who stole my heart? Yeah. Thank you, mate. That says it all. I love you. You're a real racing driver.
If I'd have won, I'd have had a racing contract with Nissan. I tried to pursue it shortly after that, but nothing really came to fruition, so that's when I had to go into back to the finance. It took me quite a few months to get over it. Since then, I've kind of put a lot of practice and effort into finding my pace, which I believe I had so many years ago. I've done all the practice I can now, so it's... Hey, how's it going? You alright?
Yeah, also it's fine.
Good.
We just arrived here.
Who's here?
I was saying that we were heading over to the GT garage, and I was like, maybe it's kind of like a building or so. No, it's actually a pretty good garage.
I'd say I'm a very determined person. If I want to achieve a goal or get somewhere, I'll put a lot of practice and a lot of hours into it. I've played Gran Turismo ever since I was 6 years old.
And Suswillo is into the race lead.
I've played it for so many years. I love the feel of it, the graphics. They've improved every iteration of the game, and this one's the best one yet.
Look at the race leader now, Adam Suswillo, leading the way by 1.2 seconds over Martin Grady.
You know, you've got proper downforce now. You can really feel the cars sticking through the corners, the dirty air from the cars in front, and you can also change the brake bites and things like that, which have a much bigger impact than they did in previous games.
If the race ended right this second, they'd be going through to the World Finals.
I'd say I'm a really fast driver, and I'd say I was one of the fastest when I put a lot of practice into it. But I do think I'm really good at adapting to live events like the one we're at today.
Adam Suswillo comes over the line. He takes victory here in the Block A final, and you can see Adam Suswillo there on your screen. I've
always been there. I've just took a bit of a break, and I think this championship gives me a good opportunity to perhaps win a massive competition I possibly should have done 5 years ago back in GT Academy.